Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here on another great video presentation for a Cardano price prediction on April 2024. After a massive correction we have been going through for two different phases, now it is time to see the possibility in a realistic way for the markets to recover, especially during April 2024. We got 11% for the last 7 days. We got our volume held around $500 million for the last 24 hours. So Cardano is having a good time. I'd like to talk to you about a crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum chart. I'd like to share with you that this specific chart is excluding Bitcoin, just like I said, and Ethereum. So it refers to the other altcoins. And it's having a pattern of ascending triangle. This is exactly how we look like. We also have another low here, so we actually have a triple low that is going higher high with a flat top on the ascending triangle. This is usually a pattern of market continuation. This is what is indicating in a classic way and is usually delivering. So what do we expect from here is we expect basically the markets to get back into the resistance line at the top, deal with a flat top, retrace a little bit, make sure the ones that are scared about the breakout will eliminate themselves, exit out of the trades, have some of the ones that speculated out of the way, and then we are blowing out. The blowout should drive us easily above $800 billion. It's just another $20 billion that we have to build on top of the highs. Easily above 820 as well should be expected on this particular part of the market, considering the fact that the movement is going to be strong. Now that's where we are with this one. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is an important chart that everyone needs to consider and look like and adjust their performances with this, including with the ability for you guys to participate in my trades. We also have the BTC trade still running for those of you that know about it. I'm still holding it, 1.2 million bucks on that, and we're having a great time. Funding fees are the ones that are just, continuously charging us, and we're paying money for that, but that's it. That's the way to keep a trade alive. On 19x leverage, you have to pay a lot of the funding fees over the long term, which is why leverage is difficult. So once again, if you want to be part of my trading journal, you can be part of it. You can be part of my trading journey without any prior fees, just a commission from the profits we make. Simple, totally outsourced for you, done for you in a copy trading format with API trading. You can ask more details. You can check out many other things on our page, including for those of you that are serious about a crypto world, to get into a one-on-one education with me. It's time to focus on things that matter. And there's no way you can speak about the earnings, the making profits, the strategies, and all the details that are just small pieces of a puzzle, which is so complicated when it comes down to trading, which is why a lot of the people are missing basically the points on where they should focus. Trading is not just like you apply a strategy, you apply an indicator here or there, and you start printing money. It has never been like that. It will never be like that. It's a complex, comprehensive activity which is running from the mental side until the last details of the way you handle the risk and all the other ones, right? So we're going to talk about this one at the end of the video. Now it's time for Cardano, 4-hour candlesticks. This is the situation we are, guys. So the idea is we have totally pushed back into the lows, and we're creating a major double low structure here with the capability of finding a support. As it looks like right now, we're looking for finding support on that. And once you have that, it's a double bottom with a very, very strong structure of, possibilities back to the 68 cents, a little retracement right there into the 63s, and then you're continuing basically above 70 cents, which should be the target for April in the encircled area, which is the golden pocket from the highs. That's something that I would aim from this level. That's something that I would target, guys. 30% from the low, and from the current price it's a little bit smaller, it's 25%. So as I'm filming right now, I'm giving you the opportunity, folks, to monetize this movement. I think this is a great approach towards the markets, especially after the major decreases we have been going through. This is a great time to be monetizing the upcoming movement very, very strongly. Cardano is having the ability of recoveries. It's having also the ability to deliver 25% in a day. So it wouldn't surprise me if we get into that encircled area quite quickly. Give enough time for, April to play all the things out and make sure they are building the proper structure that is allowing basically for the liquidity to be grabbed from the highs. There's a lot of the people that have exited out of longs at this level and they started bringing shorts out. So it's time basically to create a new round of massive liquidations on the shorts before we can trigger another retracement as well. I'd like to talk to you about that, as soon as we have been finishing with this correction phase, and it's 31%, so it's definitely not a joke, and it's definitely something not to underestimate or believe that this is going to continue forever. You're actually touching a major demand zone here, right? So you were blowing out, you're coming back twice to your demand zone, which is a great way to take the markets to the upside again, due to the fact that there is so much liquidity above the golden pocket into the upside that is unimaginable well for the markets, right? So 72 cents, the target. We hope to get there in April 2024. Before you get into the other things, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you care about education, reach out for financial freedom. Have a good time, folks.